Let's be honest, everyone wants to make money with AI in 2025, but here's the truth most people don't realize. Millions of people are watching podcasts, scrolling through hype videos, and asking ChatGPT to write grocery lists, while a small group is quietly learning skills that businesses will pay thousands of dollars for. So today, I'm going to reveal 7 AI skills that will separate the people earning 6 figures in 2025 from the ones still playing with AI tools. These aren't surface-level ideas like start an agency or make a chatbot. These are practical, high-value skills that businesses desperately need right now. So let's dive in and stick with me because skill number 1 is the single most important one that makes all the others work. Think of AI like a team of brilliant employees, but terrible mind readers. If you give vague instructions, you'll get vague results. But if you give precise directions with clear examples, AI becomes unstoppable. That's prompt engineering, the foundation skill that turns AI from a toy into a money-making tool. Here's the secret formula. Number 1, role. Who should the AI act as? Number 2, context. What background it needs. Number 3, task, the job you want done. Number 4, audience, who it's for. Number 5, format, how the output should look. Industry data shows 78% of AI project failures happened because of poor human-AI communication. Not bad tech, bad instructions. That's why mastering prompt engineering is like learning to speak the language of AI. It's the difference between getting meh outputs and generating work that looks like it came from a Fortune 500 consultant. Now, once you know how to talk to AI, the next step is learning how to make AI work for you non-stop. Here's a crazy stat. Desk workers spend up to 40% of their day on repetitive, low-value tasks, scheduling, data entry, follow-ups, all the boring stuff. AI automation changes everything. With tools like Zapier, Make, and others, you can set up workflows that run 24/7. Imagine invoices sending themselves, customers getting follow-ups automatically, or new leads instantly added to your CRM. But here's the real money move. Don't try to automate everything for everyone. Pick one niche, like dentists, realtors, or contractors. Learn their workflows, then automate their specific problems. That's how you go from charging $500 for a setup to $5,000 for a custom solution. But automation has limits, and when businesses hit those limits, they're willing to pay big money for people who can build something custom. This is where AI development comes in. You don't need to be a full-time coder. Learning some Python and how to work with AI APIs is enough to build simple but powerful tools. Example, a law firm spends hours copy-pasting legal documents into ChatGPT for summaries. With just basic development, you could build them a drag-and-drop tool that processes 50 documents in minutes. That's not just saving time, that's saving them thousands of dollars. And clients happily pay for that. And that brings us to the fuel behind all AI applications: data. Every business has data: sales numbers, customer behavior, transactions. But most businesses are only scratching the surface. Traditional analysis says, here's what happened. AI analysis says, here's what will happen next. And here's how to prepare. The entry point, SQL. It's like Google search for business data. With SQL plus AI, you can spot patterns that humans miss, like which customers are about to leave, or where a company is losing money. Businesses don't just want this, they need it. But data alone doesn't make money. To turn attention into revenue, you need the right words. Every business runs on words: websites, ads, emails, sales pages. And better words equals more customers. With AI, you can create conversion-focused copy faster and cheaper than agencies. But the real skill is combining AI with human psychology and examples. That's how you turn average copy into million-dollar campaigns. Think about it. The right webinar script ad headline, or email sequence can literally multiply revenue overnight. This is why AI copywriting is one of the most direct money-making skills you can learn. And once you can write the words that sell, what if you could also build the tools that solve? For decades, software was locked behind coding walls. Today, tools like Replit and GitHub Copilot let you describe what you want and generate working code. But here's the twist. If you combine this with niche knowledge, you become unstoppable. Imagine building a custom scheduling tool for contractors or an expense tracker tailored for freelancers. That's the difference between charging $3,000 for generic software and $15,000 plus for a solution no one else offers. And finally, the one skill that can instantly change how the world sees your business. Great design used to be expensive and slow. Now, AI tools can generate logos, branding, thumbnails, and ad creatives in minutes. Want a YouTube thumbnail that boosts CTR? Done. Need a product mock-up for your store? Done. Even full photo shoots can now be AI generated for a fraction of the cost. Design isn't just about looking good, it's about conversions, and businesses pay for that. Think about this. 10 years ago, you'd need a developer, designer, copywriter, data analyst, and automation specialist just to start a business. That's over $200,000 in salaries. Today, AI tools give you the power to do it all yourself. But here's the key. Tools alone don't make money. Skills do. If you master even one or two of these AI skills, you'll be ahead of 99% of people still stuck playing with AI. So, the real question is, will you just use AI for fun, or will you use it to build real wealth in 2025?